Bye-bye fridge. You helped us while you lasted. Ooh, Big Mac.
Big Mac.
Oh, this is the sushi.
Where is the 400? This one.
Well, we are going back to Manila. Where are you going?
Hapchan.
We're going to Hapchan daw. We're going to Hapchan. There's a Cinnabon, Macau. Let me show you guys. Look where we are. We are at, we're going to Tokyo. Oh, Tokyo. Macau Imperial. Esquina Cebu. Cinnabon. Oh, there's a lot of places. Manukan is chicken. Hapchan is a Chinese restaurant. There's a McDonald's there. Burger and burrito. Yeah, Hapchan is open because this side is this is the Hapchan that the whole thing. There's there's Chowking. That's also a Chinese place. Waiting for order. No, they will make way. I'll check. Make way.
Still is very tough. It's rush hour.
Bakit hindi siya dumaan sa ano eh?
Sa express. They make way, but time of the traffic time.
Time out, time out.
Yeah, but people are moving away from
They're
them. But
moving, but where? It's not
He
much.
says time out.
I know.
oh, look at that bus.
But the bus
That's the
is
bus.
nice now.
The bus is nice. Yeah. Look, we can go with the bus. The bus is nice. Everything is getting rotten because our fridge is not working. This is soy sauce that yeah, I had to throw. Yeah, well, I put most food and of course here as well. So yeah, I guess I have to throw this away. Okay, some of them is still okay, but yeah. I don't know, I haven't put this thing is supposed to expire only, I don't know. It smells sour though. I think I should eat it.
Let's see. We got many these.
Ooh, look at this. Even the sellotape is McDonald's. Ah, my gosh. Okay, we got the Coke. Okay, let's put the Coke on that side. Let's see what's here. Ooh, oh yes, fries. Oh, don't know why McDonald's has nice fries now.
Here is your Big Mac. Preston.
Oh, this is.
Big Mac.
Ooh, Big Mac.
Big Mac.
And this is what? Oh, spaghetti. This is not good for 10. This is like
Let's see.
2. And this is an extra 2. Unless this is more, which I doubt. Let's see. Because they said it's good for 10. Like, how can 5 people eat in that? Like, low man. Good for 10 is like 1, 2, 3. This is not good for 10. This is like good for 2 people.
There's cooling plate on here.
So no, there's no way that this is good for 10.
There's a touch for each one.
You see here, they don't say tomato sauce. They say ketchup, guys. Tomato sauce is
Where did you get this from?
a seal. I must take it out. Oh, gremlin is getting missing again. You must see. I'll show you guys the night before I clean the kitchen. There's 4 patties.
Call the Big Mac in it.
It's a Big Mac. Big Mac, Adi. All right. This is
Like,
mine.
you want a Big Mac? I'm like, yeah. Like the one on the TV, I'm like, yeah. Beautiful.
Okay.
Big Mac. Woo! Look at this.
It's small, man.
Got 4 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let me see.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ew.
What's nice?
Now maybe it's big
Wish you were
burger. Yeah. And oh la 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 la. Don't just put the there's a what do you call this? There's a seal. It's actually the tape is McDonald's tape. Whoop! Oh my gosh. McDonald's tape. So we have a oh man. Okay, this thing moved. This thing moved a bit, or is it really like that? I don't know. But the thing's a calamansi. Wow. Oh guys, this is the sushi from a proper Japanese restaurant here. Oh, okay, let's open it here. Open this one up. Even the holder is so nice. Okay, it moved a little bit, but I mean it's fine. Wow, sushi time. Put it in the middle. Yes, we're having sushi tonight. This is the sushi. Yeah, we're having sushi tonight. Yeah.
Mommy, you're spinning. Don't be loud. Mommy did this
Never had such noisy dishwashers in my life.
What? I'm hungry. I'm trying to rinse this at the dress.
One season later.
Right, so we cleaned this up. It's empty now. We're gonna return it, and they are going to supply us a new fridge because this one is defective. So yeah, bye bye fridge. You helped us while you lasted. Lasted for, if you calculate it, it's just like a month that it lasted because we left. Yeah, because we left and we went. Huh? Okay, the new one came. So yeah, I'm just busy cleaning it up. Yeah, it does look like that because it rolls in, so that's fine. This one actually looks a bit bitter. So, but I have to open it after 3 hours. So I'm gonna take all this and then wash it nicely. Oh my god, what type of a fridge is this that comes? The door is off. Well, it's because it's a roller door. So don't be alarmed. This is the new fridge they gave us. And my kitchen is a mess, so yeah. Just drying it off because it got its chlorine smell, so at least it's better. It looks better. It looks newer than the first one that I have. Because the first one was not as Nice as this actually. Hey. And this is a bit more spacious. This is actually what we ordered. What we ordered is the one that has a door that slides like this, and they never delivered it that way. So I guess this is the one, but we ordered the silver one, but silver didn't come, but it's okay. This is fine. I have to, okay, this is a new one, Nakama Sharp. So we have to switch it on after 3 hours. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, and then you put this one here. I should have put it through, I think, first. Oh gosh. Yeah, I must put it first and then because then it doesn't fit. Okay, so you gotta put it first and then you roll it in. Yes, I just turn it sideways because I have to clean it up. So yeah, this is, hey, so that's how it looks like. Yep. So we have to, yeah. We struggled for 3 weeks, actually a whole month, taking it and getting it, and then at least they decided to replace it for us instead of repairing it, because we said no, the other one really doesn't work anymore. There's no use in repairing it, so they gave us something that is looks newer than the other one. And this one is looks a bit bigger. It's just weird that you roll it up and down like this, but it's not bad. So I'm just gonna wash them all off so that it's clean.
3 hours later.
There's been 3 hours, so I decided to switch it on. I made it 3.5 hours. Decided to switch it on. I don't know if that's lower or higher. So I'll just put it maybe in the middle, okay? And then I'll wait. And then I'll put something later on. Hello world, we are here in Apuyan and we are eating. And Annie is here. We're eating Annie's hair. So we're here to go have some dinner. Look at you with a hair braid. Musta? Oh, are you African now? Are you African now? Are you African now?
I'm shy.
It's a fun game. Yeah. Okay, walang
Good luck.
You will open both hands.
I play first. Okay. Mini. Where is the 400? This one.
Congratulations! Galing!
Next morning.
It's the next morning. It's the next morning. Let's see how you go. Ooh, looks cold. Oh, it is cold. It's cold. Okay, it's cold. It's very cold. I'm gonna make it a bit middle, maybe. It's actually cold to the brink of, it feels like it's freezing. So it's good. Looks good. Looks good. Ah, yes. Yes, I'm happy. Normally, when I put stuff by the gate, normally when I put stuff by the door, it doesn't want to get cold. Okay, but look, this is, you can see it's like, it's cold. The cold is like, finally, it's getting cold. Moment of truth. Let's see how this bottom looks. Oh, my longanisa is oh, frozen. Frozen food. Oh yes. We got ice, people. We got ice. We got ice. Hear that? That's ice. This is good. This is good. Steak. Yep. So I can buy stuff now and freeze it because I can see that it's working well. So I'm happy. I'm satisfied. At least my vegetable stuff is not gonna rot anymore. Look at this. I haven't even touched this from the last time, and it's, look at it. And the chilies is actually, this thing is molded. So I think I gotta throw it away because it's molded. Right. I normally put this here because I used to like just put everything messy. I haven't cooked for a while because looks good. So it's even like, what do you call this? Frosting. Not frosting, it's like misty stuff. And these things are cold, guys. It's cold. I've never had so much cold like this for a while. So it's happiness with the fridge. Like I said, here never gets cold. Like it's always. So, yep, that's good. We're good.